In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front strut in a Honda CR-V. It's located behind the front wheel. After you raised and supported your vehicle safely, you have 5 lug nuts. These are 19mm lug nuts. You need to remove those. Take your wheel off, put it off to the side. After you raised and supported the hood, on the side here, there's this rubber mount and cover. That cover covers the top bolts for your upper strut mount. This rubber mount here is held on by this clip. You just want to push straight up and out, pull this off, put it off to the side. This cover comes straight up, pop it straight out, pull your rubber for your weather strip back, and lift straight up and out. You have 5 14mm nuts you need to remove. Once you have your wheel removed, you need to remove your top sway bar link nut, which is an 18mm. You need to unclip your ABS sensor from the side of your strut. It has 2 mounts, rubber mount here, pull towards you. This one you want to pull out to your right. You have your 12mm nut that holds your brake hose to your strut. Remove that. Push that off to the side. Now you can remove your 2 strut bolts on the bottom of your strut. It's a 19 head with a 22mm nut. You want to remove your sway bar link from your strut. Remove your strut from the knuckle. You need to remove the strut from the spring, so we can use a tool, something like this. All this is going to do is compress the spring down so I can remove the top nut and dismantle that from the strut. Once your spring is compressed, there's a cap. Just pull the cap off. That's a 17mm nut. Let your strut slide out the bottom. That's your nut. Remove your top cap. Your new strut is going to come with this wire that holds it compressed. If you take your nut off, push that down, it'll unlatch. Your strut will go all the way up and bottom out. You want to transfer your rubber boot and isolator over onto your new strut and slide the new strut up through. Install your new nut. Then you want to tighten that nut down to 33 foot-pounds. Once your nut is torqued down, install your cap. Now you need to remove your nuts for your top mount. Slide your strut up and in. Careful of your ABS sensor. Wiring. Slide it up into the holes on the top. Line this up and put your bolts in. Install your nuts. Then you want to torque those down at 116 foot-pounds. Now install your sway bar link into your strut. And that gets torqued down at 58 foot-pounds. Install your ABS rubber mount. When we were removing our strut, this clip broke. You can install a new one. Now you have your 12mm bolt for your brake hose. And that gets torqued down to 16 foot-pounds. Now you can jack up from your control arm so your strut pushes up through the base here and install your nuts. Now install your nuts. Those get torqued down to 33 foot-pounds. Now take your trim panel, install it straight down. Make sure it's clicked in. Take your weather strip, slide it over the panel. Take your rubber weather strip, install it there. Now install your clip. Now remove your jack. Take your wheel, slide it over your lug nut studs. Install your lug nuts by hand. Give those a snug. After you load your vehicle and your tires on the ground, you want to torque these lug nuts at 80 foot-pounds. You want to do that in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.